Welcome to the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse RS in Summit White. This SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside of the Traverse, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, automatic headlights, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter, electronic parking brake, and all-wheel drive selector are in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rearview mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the Traverse, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Continental cross-contact tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, Black Tow Traverse badging on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, Black Tow bow tie in the center of the grille, RS badge in the grille as well, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around, roof rails are installed. Around the back of the vehicle, we have the twin chrome tipped exhaust, Black Tow Traverse, all-wheel drive bow tie and red RS badging, all on the hatch. Heading back inside the Traverse, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing for plenty of access to your third row, USB charging ports on either side of the vehicle. Bose audio continues throughout the SUV, and here in the center console we have the third zone of your tri-zone climate control, 2 more USB charging ports, and a 120-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse RS. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.